Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 things that will make you rich in the year 2024. Let's get into the video. The first thing is creating a budget. A budget is a great tool to have because it will show you how to spend your money. In so doing, you can see exactly what you are spending your salary on and make adjustments when needed. The second thing is build your retirement account. If you haven't already done already, I recommend setting up a Roth IRA in the year 2024 and one of your money goals. This individual retirement account will grow tax-free. If you cannot contribute the maximum into the account, try to put 10 to 15% of your salary into this account monthly. The third thing is being debt free. The third one can be very difficult and daunting, but you should work on trying to be out of debt at some point. Because one way of building wealth is to have all your monthly income coming to you instead of having to pay them to credit cards, student loans, auto loans, etc. The more of your money you can have in your pocket, it will give you more options to put more money into your retirement accounts, which in turn will help you build wealth quicker. So, those are the 3 things that will make you rich in the year 2024. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.